We had a lot of auto numbers come out over the weekend. Gargi is here with more details on that. Gargi, how do you think the markets are going to be reacting to these numbers?
Well, Megha, overall it's been a bit below estimates, but that was more or less factored in. We spoke to a couple of analysts. Most of them said that, we were expecting November sales to be a bit softer than, what the more or less what the street was estimating. If you look at Maruti sales, they've been below estimates, 1.03 lakh units that they've sold. That's a 13% increase coming in on a year-on-year basis. But if you look at the exports, that volume has grown almost 38%, and they've sold over 12,000 units this time around. However, if you look at the small car segment, the petrol car segment, the demand for that has been sluggish, and that's what's impacted Maruti's numbers this time around. If you look at TVS Motors, again, we've seen the company losing market share to other peers. And if you look at the November sales, a 2% decrease coming in, 1.7 lakh units is what they've posted for the month of November, again below estimates. Tata Motors, on the other hand, we've seen the total sales decline almost 13.5%. 66,500 units is the number for the November sales. If you look at exports, they've been a bit softer than last year, over 4,000 units that they've sold. And overall, if you look at the total sales, it's been lower by from our estimates of over 72,000. The HCV vehicles, that have the sales for that have been under pressure. That's what's impacted the total sales volume for Tata Motors too. For M&M, we've seen almost an 18% decrease coming in. We didn't anticipate that kind of a decrease for M&M. 48,143 units is the number that M&M has posted for the November sales. However, they've mentioned that their medium commercial vehicles, that has taken a beating in the month of November, impacting the total sales volumes. For Hero MotoCorp, they have been a bit below estimates. 5.3 units is what they've posted. That's down 6.5%. 5.3 lakh units. Beg your pardon for that. We estimated close to 5.5 lakh units, so not really a very big difference, but still a tad below what the street was estimating.